Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to crop your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere. So from here, in order for us to crop our video, we have two ways. I can offer you two ways. So the first one is very simple and very direct. All you have to do is go to your effects panel and type crop, because we already have a crop effect right here by Premiere. So you can just drag this into your clip right here, drag it. And from here, you can see the crop options in the effect controls. And from here, you can adjust however you want to crop it. And you can do it like this one, or this right one right here, or the bottom one right here, depending on what you want and how you want to crop it. And you can go for feather also right here. But if you want a crop wherein it is a circle crop, then you can just stay put, and we will be tackling that in a few moments. So first, let's go and discuss the effect controls in here. So we have the crop right here, and remember, you can also keyframe this. So you can also do it like this one right here. Like for example, you want or at the top right here, you want a block bar. Then you can go for it right here. And I want the block part to appear right here, and I want to go 9, and just like that. And also for the bottom one, I want to go there. And now for the next keyframe, let's go here and go put 9. And now we have the simple block bar right here using the crop effect, and that is how we crop our video right here. But if you want a circle crop, then you can also do that. Let's just delete this, and you can go click here, click on crop. Right here, you can also do this using your mask right there. And as you can see, we now have our mask right here, and you can go for inverted or inverted, just like that. But we're not gonna use this mask or this one right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go here into opacity. So let's just disable the crop first. So if you want a circle crop, then you can do it here and under opacity. So you can just do it like this one. As you can see, we now have it like this. But yeah, you can go for circles right here. Or you can also invert it if you want it like this. Or you also have the free form one if you want to draw your own shape just like this. You can also do this right here. Or you can also bend your shape just like this one by using this, by holding your Alt key. And yeah, dragging the joints right here. You can also do it like this. And yeah, that is basically how you do it in masking them. So as you can see, it's not like this. You can invert it however you want. So that is basically how you can crop your video here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.